Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This next DIY, it is a Dollar Tree fall decor. Let's get started. Okay, so the following is everything I purchased from the Dollar Tree for this next DIY. So I just got different type of pumpkins, different sizes and shapes, so it can look cute for my centerpiece. So I'm only going to be using 2 bouquets, which is this really cute fall one and this white one. Some sticks that I just picked out from a tree outside. This is the type of paint that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be mixing it all up. Wire cutter. This super really cute jar from the Dollar Tree. I was surprised that they have it. Super cute. And I'm just starting off by just painting the jar with some white chalk paint. I'm gonna be letting it dry for the next hour so I know it's completely dry. So I can save some money. I just decided to buy the little multiple paints from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be mixing it up with the white chalk paint that I have. The first colors that I mixed up was blue, green and white, and the next one is just going to be some orange, just a little drop of orange and some white chalk paint. Okay, so next up, I'm just going to paint each of the pumpkins a different color. And by the way guys, ignore my kids in the back. I usually wait for them to go to bed, but this time it was the only time I had available to make the video, so I was like, oh well. And it can get stressful. Anyways, back to the video. I'm just gonna mix some yellow and some orange, and you have no idea how much money I saved by making this. I didn't have to buy multiple different paint colors, and I loved this idea. With the wire cutter, I'm just gonna cut the bouquets so I can place inside the jar. I'm sorry guys, I love the jar. I can't get over it. With the sticks that I picked from outside, I'm just gonna cut into small pieces and place it onto the pumpkin where the stem goes at. So this is the finishing look. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you all for watching.